My name is Wayne Porter. I'm the president of the MUDOC Corporation in Tempe, Arizona. I want to welcome you to a new video series we call MuvieTime. Now, I didn't say movie time, I said MuvieTime. The first syllable is mu, like the mu in music. MuvieTime is a video series in which we'll describe and demonstrate some profoundly different solutions to the problems of reading. Next year, the MUDOC Corporation will start making available an array of powerful new reading tools, tools that will enable their users to make far better use of their perceptual and cognitive capabilities when consuming text. These new tools will enable everyone to read, and they will enable most readers to achieve previously unattainable levels of speed and comprehension. Through the wide use of such tools, we may see Homo sapiens evolve in a single generation from a partially literate species to a fully literate species, and within 2 generations to a superliterate species. Now, you may think such extravagant claims are simply supercilious hyperbole intended to get your attention. Well, they are that, but I challenge you to continue watching and to maintain any skepticism after seeing what you are about to see. I challenge you to find any reason why the new tools might not perform as promised. In this episode of MuvieTime, we'll demonstrate in 4 short video segments some of the things you will be able to do with one of the new tools we are developing at the MUDOC Corporation. That new tool is Interactive Movable Type, a software invention that will deliver text to readers in ways that are perceptually more efficient than any of the delivery methods now in use. As you'll see, readers of text set in Interactive Movable Type will be able to do many things for themselves that they cannot do with conventional text. And when consuming text set in this new movable type, readers will have at their disposal a wide selection of linguistic tools that will facilitate the assimilation and understanding of the information provided by the words in the text. In this first video segment, we'll demonstrate the difference between text set in lines of print and text set in the Mu typography. The Mu in Mu typography is an acronym, a word formed from the initial letters of meaning unit. Hence, Mu typography is simply short for meaning unit typography. Meaning units are either short sentences or logical subdivisions of longer sentences. As you'll see, sentences displayed as series of meaning units are easier to see and understand than sentences displayed as linear word strings. And you'll see how the interactive movable type software will transform lines of text into meaning units. Now take a look.
Here is a sentence displayed in the conventional linear typography. Now here is the same sentence arranged in a 1-line Mu format. And the same sentence arranged in a 2-line Mu format. And the same sentence in a 3-line Mu format. And in a 4-line Mu format. And in a 5-line Mu format.
The next video segment introduces MueMan, the only other human character in this episode of MuvieTime. MueMan is the world's slowest fast talker, as you'll see. MueMan can speak up to 700 words per minute through the use of compressed speech software that can accelerate or decelerate recorded speech without changing the tone or pitch of the speech. Readers of text set in interactive movable type can have the text presented as visual text, or as spoken text, or as simultext, which is demonstrated in this segment. The term simultext is used to designate text that is simultaneously seen and heard by the reader. Now listen and see what MueMan has to say.
This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 100 words per minute. This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 200 words per minute. This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 300 words per minute. This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 400 words per minute. This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 500 words per minute. This is an example of simultext presented at a rate of 50 words per minute. When using computers with color monitors, highlighting might be done with colors instead of reverse imaging.
Highlighting can be done a word at a time, as in the previous example, or a new glyph at a time, as in this example, with accompanying speech sounds.
In the third video segment, we'll demonstrate the basic movie concept. As a movie is a succession of pictorial images in the same place, a movie is a succession of text images in the same place. Readers of publications set in interactive movable type will have the choice of having the text presented either as static displays or as movies. And as you'll see, readers will be able to choose all the specifications to be used in displaying the text in either form. Now here are 5 short movie sequences that demonstrate the basic ideas underlying movie presentations.